Do you want to tell them where we're at?
Yeah, so we decided to come to the Underwood Family Farm. It's in Semi Valley, I think, or Moore Park. That was like 30-minute drive from here, but it's really huge. I've never been here. Millionaire. These are called a millionaire. Because if you have one of these, you're a millionaire.
Pumpkins made out of different stuff, like the Wizard of Oz and ice cream cones.
Yeah, like pumpkin decorations, right? That's really cool. Oh, they even have a Kobe one.
Pumpkin spice latte.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Yeah, there's one of Harry Potter, one of Mike from
Oh. Which one's your favorite, babe? I like the Kobe one.
I like the flamingo one, is pretty cool.
Yeah, the ice cream one looks cool too. Let me
We
go
have a
here.
Baby Yoda.
Oh, Baby Yoda. Are you having fun, babe? Definitely. Same here. I didn't think it was gonna be this sandy. Alright, so we decided to go on the tractor. It's like a big old tractor. And I think it's free with the ticket you buy. The entrance was $15, right, babe?
I don't know. We pay like 45, I think.
Oh yeah,
So 45 divided by 3.
You excited, babe? She's like, yeah, this is the only good adventure I got.
do you like it so far?
It's nice. It's really hot, so it's better than walking. You know?
What was your favorite part so far?
Seeing all the pumpkins and stuff, different kinds. I like how they label them. So you can know about different pumpkins. So you might take one, right?
Yeah, so we can carve it. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, alright, we'll take one.
A yearly tradition,
Right.
carving a pumpkin together. Ooh, we're going through them. Oh my god, this is so cool. So we stopped by, they dropped us off,
Yeah.
and like we can basically come get our own little vegetables and fruits that we want. And you went inside the little, what you
The
say?
peppers, the jalapenos are right here, and the peppers. And if you walk through the little, like right here, it just smells like jalapenos. You're just like, oh my god! It's like you touch something and you rub it on you. No,
That's it.
they give us bags, and they also give you little
Like
containers
containers.
to put. But I want to get berries or like something sweet. I don't want to get jalapenos and all that. I'm sure I can get some berries. And once you get your produce, you get in the front. Once you're exiting, they charge you per weight or whatever the price is. I think it was $1.99 per pound for the jalapenos.
It has like all the little prices on there and what vegetables there is.
Yeah.
So you can pick and choose whatever you like and just pay for it at the end.
Yeah. So you guys ever want to just like spend time here and just kill a day? This is perfect.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Alright, so my babe wants to go help her mom look for some bell peppers. These are peppers, right, babe? Bell peppers? Look, if you see some, they're like on the floor right here. But look, she found like a really pretty one.
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh no, see, some of these are rotten, so we can't take those. We have to find some fresh ones. Found one. Mira, busqué uno si quiere este. Babe, look. But as you see, there's just a lot of bell peppers everywhere, and they charge you $2 per pound. So, yeah, there's a lot over there. Look, there's a, mira. Hay muchos ayapas, mira. Aquí. ¿Están feos? Throw it. Ah, look at that. Look at that beautiful bell pepper. Throw it. Throw it. Nice stuff. Okay. All right. We're gonna go find the berry section. That's it, babe. She doesn't want no more. So we're gonna find the berry section because I want to fill this up with berries or something sweet because I want to eat them. All right. So my babe, she found little tomatitos. Show them, babe.
I love.
Look, they match your nail color. Yeah, so she found little tomatitos. She wants to make salsa later with some tomatititos.
You gotta look for the good ones.
I know.
This is awesome. Like
This one
is
looks
such
really
an
cute.
Experience, guys. I recommend you guys coming here. Like it might be a little pricey, but it's definitely.
Oh, this one
worth
came
it,
out
huh?
perfect. Look,
That one looks yellowish.
that's how they
It's
look.
supposed to be
Es porque
red.
se están manzanando, babe.
I don't think it's gonna be good.
No, I want berries.
Okay, so we're still gonna look out for berries. For
Yeah,
this.
something like sweet. I want to eat right now.
And I'm doing some grocery shopping after. Alright guys, stay tuned.
Hopefully we find the next berry section because I want some already.
So Oscar finally found his berries and he's disappointed because he says they're all dead.
They kind of look dead. Look at that.
Aw, they're so tiny.
I'm gonna try it though, but
Try it by the way, but just do it now.
cool. How am I gonna try it? I'm gonna try the fruit.
Oh my god, hurry up before we get in trouble, baby.
They're sweet, but they don't have that much juice. They're a little dry.
We'll find some berries, bro.
I just found some. They're right here. Look.
To take. You're not gonna take any?
Oh, they're not good, babe. Look, try one. Try one, babe.
I don't want to.
Just bite it. Look.
I don't want it, thank you. Well, anyways, there you guys have it. He didn't want to pick any berries, but he found the berries. And he's eating them without paying them.
I'm just trying them.
Okay, say bye. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what we got.
Alright, so we got these little tomatitos. We also got these tomatoes. Claudia tried these. She said they were really good.
I ain't trying. What you talking
Yeah,
about?
you did. And we also got these bigger ones. These were like really hard to find because there wasn't that many.
There wasn't that many. And then we got a bunch of peppers.
Peppers, yeah. So it's about to be like 10, 15 bucks.
What is our last find?
So I didn't get my berries, but I got these pickling cucumbers. I guess these are used more for salad, but I'm gonna eat them with tahini and a little bit of tapatio and like lemon and salt.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut them and then my baby will eat them later and we'll probably show you guys a video. Okay?
So I think we are now done with the whole picking fruit stuff. And now we're just gonna get back on the little carrito over there and make our way back to the rest of the pumpkin patch because we haven't finished it yet. So yeah, stay tuned. There is a lot more content that is gonna be really great to see.
Alright.
Oscar is gonna get me a sunflower. Ooh, yeah, perfect. You got it? Yeah. Is it hard? Don't mistreat it. I think for now let's just keep it like that so it stays more alive because we're still gonna do like probably 30 more.
You're really gonna take this whole thing?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Alright, look, I got one as tall as my babe, kind of.
We're gonna go get it back to put it like here in the bottom.
Yeah.
So we can like take it like
Put a little bit of water in it too. It might get dried up. I wonder how much it's gonna be. Hopefully not that much.
You'd be surprised. I know.
You know, alright then. Alright guys.
Thanks, guys.
Taking us around the whole farm.
Go there.
I know, it's really nice. It's gonna go up there. The tractor's gonna go up there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm recording. So we're gonna go through the little tunnel of love. You can see it. Oh, no.
We're passing by it.
Passing a tunnel of love. County store gift carving kits fall decor. Yeah, so they got hot already. Yeah, let's try it out, huh? It's a really nice little shop, huh?
Like other days we couldn't come in with all this eating stuff.
No.
You're cool about it.
Those carvings.
Of course you get. So they're famous for this little house made out of pumpkin. But everyone is taking pictures here. Really cool.
It's dying, and it definitely needs water. It needs water. Give it some water, babe. Give it life. Give it life. She's giving it life. Está dando vida.
I like that they have this, so like, you know, if you feel too hot.
Yeah. Did you give life to her?
I don't know, it kind of looks the same.
Did you give it life?
I'm
¿Te dio vida?
It's the Scottish Highlander cow. Her name's Lucy.
Es una vaca.
That's awesome, guys. Look at the miniature, the mini horse sippy. So cool. This is such like a perfect place to come for the weekend and just spend like the whole day here. Because there's so much to see and so much to do. Happy breakfast.
And you're gonna charge it? I think he sees the red. And I was like, that'd be the red shirt.
There comes Lucy.
That's a cow, not a girl.
Highlander cow. Yeah. So this is full of sugar babies. Alright, ready?
Okay, so we are done for the day, and this is pretty much all we got. All our picking fruit, and we got a little pumpkin, and like I did, so good.
And the only one we didn't do was the animal part, right?
We saw a couple animals, but it was just too
But
hot.
there's like more of it, but we're like, no, that's it. It's getting way too hot.
And then
we saw a good chunk of the farm, so
yeah,
we're
it
good.
was
really
really
nice.
It was awesome. But look at the line to exit out.
To pay for all the good stuff.
It's
we
a
got.
huge line, and we have to pay for all this. The sunflowers were only $1. There's
$3.
$3, and this was like between $3 to $4 each pound of fruit. So
It's like really affordable.
yeah, the vegetables look really good. But yeah, we could,
Alrighty. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, stay tuned. We'll be uploading more cool Halloween stuff.
yeah. All right, bye guys. All right, guys. Bye.
Bye.